Welcome to today's review of the Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker in the exquisite cork band edition. This pour-over coffee maker offers a delightful blend of aesthetics and functionality, making it a must-have for any coffee enthusiast's collection. Let's dive into what sets this coffee maker apart. Firstly, its design incorporates mouth-blown borosilicate glass, ensuring durability and elegance in every pour. The cork band not only adds a touch of natural charm but also provides a comfortable grip, while handling point. One of the standout features is its permanent stainless steel mesh filter. Say goodbye to paper filters or capsules, as this eco-friendly choice allows you to enjoy your coffee without trapping essential oils, resulting in a richer, more flavorful brew. With a capacity of 17 ounces, 0.5 liters, this coffee maker is perfect for individuals or small gatherings. However, it's essential to pay attention to the brewing process. Factors like grind size, coffee quantity, and tamping pressure significantly impact the brew's quality. Adjustments may be necessary to achieve your desired espresso extraction. Cleaning is a breeze, as the entire unit is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. The Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker seamlessly combines style, functionality, and sustainability, making it a standout choice in the pour-over coffee maker market. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just starting your journey into the world of pour-over brewing, the Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker promises a delightful slow brew experience that's bound to impress. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.